Hi, welcome to Vayolas kitchen. Today we are making easy bread cheese stick. So let's find out the ingredients for that. 4 bread slice, 2 stick of mozzarella cheese, 1 beaten egg, chili flakes, Parmesan cheese, oil for frying. First we have to slice all the 4 edges of the bread. Then we have to mix 2 teaspoons of Parmesan cheese, and half teaspoon of chili flake. If you don't want the more spicy, you can skip this step, and if you want the spicy, you can add little more chili flakes into that. Mix it well. Then using a chappati roller, make the bread flatten. Then we have to put we are using the 1 stick into 2, and we are placing half of the cheese into that. Roll it nicely. Fix the edges together. Next, we have to dip the bread in the egg. Then to that cheese mix nicely. Now we have to shallow fry this cheese bread. Next we have to put some oil in a pan. Once the oil is hot, put our breadstick into that. We have to shallow fry this breadstick. Next we have to flip the breadstick into other side. Once it is become golden brown, we can switch off our gas. Then we can change into a serving dish. Our yummy cheese bread is ready to serve.